Welcome back. In this section, we will add some styles to our home page. Open the style.css file within the CSS folder. First, we will target the home class for our styles. Add the background image property, and for the value, include the relative position of the background image of our home page. I have downloaded the image from pexels.com and already included in my images folder. Next property is a background attachment. This property makes the background image fixed and will not scroll with the page. For the value, include fixed. Next, add background repeat property, and for the value, include no repeat. What this means is that the image is rendered only once without repeating. Next, we will add the background size property. This specifies the size of the background image. For the value, we will add cover. By including cover, it resizes the background image to cover the entire container. Next, we will add the background position property. This sets the position of the background image. For the value, we will include 50% and 50%. Next, we will add a minimum height of 700 pixels, without which the image will not be shown since specific height is not included anywhere. Next, we will make the position to relative. We will make the next div's position absolute relative to this div. That's why this is position to relative. Next, if there is any overflow, we will make it hidden. We will take a look at how this looks in the browser. Back to the code editor, we will target the titles class. Make the width and height of this class to 100%. This is done because we will add another layer on top of the image to make the image darker. We will make the minimum height to 700 pixels as done with the background image. Also, we will make the position absolute. We will also add some padding of 80 pixels to the left and right. Next, set the position to 0 since we already made its position absolute. Finally, we will add a background color with RGBA. We will set it to black color and the alpha value to 0.5 to make it half transparent. We will take a look at how this looks in the browser. Back to the code editor. Next, we will target titles wrap. Add a margin top of 300 pixels. We will target the header 1 tag within the home section. Set the color to white. Set the width to 100% so that it spans the whole width of its container. Set the display property to block. Next, set the margin to 0. Next, we will add some font properties. Set the font size to 45 pixels. Set the font weight to 500. Also set the line height to 1.7. To make the color of the text to a different color, set its color to #C9A04F, which will be the prominent color of our website. Next, we will target the header 2 tag within our home section. This is where we will include our typed text via jQuery. Set its color to white. Set its display property to block. Set its font size to 27 pixels. Set its line height to 1.7. Now we will target the span tag and make its text color to white. Let's target the paragraph tag within the home section. Make the text color to white. Set its font size to 18 pixels. Set its margin top to 20 pixels. Finally, set its max width property to 450 pixels. Now we will target the Get in Touch button within the home section. Please note that I didn't set the default styles for our web page. I am relying on the default values set by Bootstrap. Make the color of the text to white. And background color to #C9A04F. Next, we will add some font properties. Set its font size to 14 pixels. Line height to 40 pixels. Letter spacing to 0.5 pixels. Text aligned to center. Font weight to 600. Now we will add text transform to capitalize, which will make the first letter in each word capital. Next, we will add left and right padding to 40 pixels. Make the border radius to 0. Set the position to relative. Make the display property to inline block, which makes the element display as block but will only take its size rather than taking the full width. Now let's add a border property to 2 pixel solid with our main color #C9A04F. Now we will set the hover properties of our Get in Touch button. Set the color to white. Set the text decoration to none. We will take a look at how this looks in the browser. We have finished styling our home section for sizes greater than 992 pixels. Next, we will include the necessary jQuery for the type effect.